Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. In this video, I'm showing you how I got this Bantu knot out look on freshly washed hair and on my curl cut. So to jump right into it, this week's comment of the week is from Artia. I asked a question on one of my hair videos asking what my next hairstyle to try should be, and she told me to try Bantu knots, so I am trying Bantu knots in this video. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I know a lot of people do it on stretched hair or dry hair, but I just wanted to see how it fares fresh out of the shower. And I've done this before, but I haven't done it with this curl cut. I'm going to be using water, and I'm going to be using the Dew Mousse Depth Texture Foam. This bottle is empty now, so I have a brand new one. So I'm going to be using just this product and then some water, similar to what I did with the twist out video. So I have a comb. I'm going to kind of try to part this. I know a lot of people do like the triangular parts, and parting is not my thing. I'm just gonna clip my hair out of the way. So this is the part. I have my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, and I'm gonna take this through just to make sure that everything is completely detangled. I'm gonna take a pump of this, apply it. And this is kind of a big section. I've done Bantu knots before where I two-strand twist my hair and then I twist it into the Bantu knot, but I'm just gonna do this like the regular, typical, standard way to do a Bantu knot. Okay, so detangled that. You see it's like nice and bouncy. Take more foam. I'm gonna apply some kind of like towards the roots and then work it down. Like you see, like the hair is coated up until then. So I'm gonna pump a little bit more and just make sure that my ends are good. I pull my hair to the center of the part. And then you twist it. You do want to try to get this twist as smooth as possible. And then I just like to twirl the ends. Okay. And then I twirl it up and then I start twisting. You tuck it under, tuck it under. See, this one is tight, so I'm just gonna turn it. And it brought me my eyebrow back. So now that I'm done setting up these Bantu knots, I'm gonna go sit underneath the dryer. I am gonna take these out tomorrow morning. I'm gonna try to sleep with these in. I think I'll be okay, hopefully. I might loosen them a little bit if they seem a little tight or like hard to sleep on. But I think I just wanna take these out in the morning because I'm going somewhere tomorrow. So I don't wanna take it out to go to bed, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go sit underneath the dryer. So I just loosened these up a bit. I'm really tired. I'm not gonna take them down. I'm gonna try to sleep with them. They're mostly dry. I'm really tired. It's midnight and I don't really have to be up early in the morning, but I do want my 8 hours. So I'm just gonna let these finish drying on their own. I'm probably gonna sit under the dryer a little bit in the morning and really get the back of my hair. I'm gonna pop this bonnet on because it's a little bit looser, the elastic part of it. I have some other bonnets where the elastic part is like a little bit too tight for me. So yeah, I'll be able to sleep, but see y'all in the morning. Okay, so it is time to take down my hair. I think I stayed under the dryer for maybe an hour or so. Okay. So to take them down, you just kind of turn the root at a counterclockwise, and then you can just kind of like break it up as you want. My hair feels super, super soft, and I don't feel like any stickiness at all. So to take it down, and then you can just kind of unravel it. This kind of helps to break it off. Initially, I do like this. I just got to figure out how to like shape it. I knew this would be kind of challenging to do on a short haircut, especially with like the shape of my haircut. So I kind of love this. Like, it's giving me like 70s vibes. And the 70s are like one of my favorite eras to look out for fashion and beauty inspiration. So I'm pretty satisfied with this. I don't want to like go too crazy with this just because, okay, that's cute. That's cute. Just because I'm going to be in the hot sun and humidity. I feel like this is kind of cute. I'm not really big on edge control. You may have noticed that from my videos. Like, I'm not a big edge control girl. I love like natural looking edges, and I might apply a little bit though. So I have this Coconut Shea Eden edge control. I thought I had it on me, but I actually have the Dews edge control. I can't remember what it's called. It has like like a cute name to it. I really like this. It's giving like, it's very, why is there like little stuff in my hair? Like one of my pet peeves. I feel like whenever I record like a hair video, there's always some like little white speck in my hair that I don't even notice until it's like I'm editing the video. So I like this look. I definitely think as I keep practicing, it will get better. I do like using the Dew foam on this, it comes out really nice and fluffy. I would make sure that each Bantu knot is thoroughly dried underneath the hooded dryer. I did kind of get lazy. I noticed like the back was not 100% dry as I mentioned, and I was gonna dry it some more this morning, and I don't know why I didn't. I don't know why I didn't, but that's what I would do for next time. I am gonna try this again. I do like this look. I'm really excited to see how it holds up in this hot and humid weather. I feel like the humidity is going to get to it as it gets to everything else, but I'm going to try to hold on to this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments. What hairstyle should I try next? As always, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.